Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I have a new product unboxing or unpacking, and of course the review. And this is it. It comes from TPARTS. They were so kind to send this to me for the Tesla, and it's TPARTS glass roof sunshade for Tesla Model 3 and Y. And they're a little bit different. So this is the one for the Model Y, as you see it upside down. And you get this in black or in gray. So let's get through it right away. Here, I'll put the camera down. Oh my, see how unprofessional I am. Okay, camera down. Let's take this out. Put the box away. And what do we have here? I have a nice bag in like a bronze silver color, and it says TPARTS on it. And you know, this is what I like about TPARTS, to be honest. Everything feels like the quality is pretty good. I mean, even this silly bag here feels like it's a good quality and a good product already. Open it up, and here we have something in there. I'll put the camera down again to make this a little bit easier here for all of us. So, let's just pull this whole thing out here. Okay. We have, this looks for this sunshade. And this is some hardware to mount it. And I have one already from a different brand, and it's not a very good one. So I know how to mount it. It's really easy. So let's open this up. And yeah, look at this. We get a little manual here with instructions, installation instructions. And basically you just have, that's in Chinese. Okay. There we go. Okay, now that's better. Basically you have those little clips that you just clip on, and then it snaps right on. So it's super easy. I mean, anyone can do that. I mean, you can have your kids can do this. So here's the box, and these are the little clips here, see? And that's exactly like what the other shade looks like. The clips look like for the other shade that I have. So you use these different kinds, and then you just clip it on. So that's what you do. And I will just do the front, because the kids always like to look out of the roof at the rear. It's not as effective, I know that, but it helps me not to get the sun on my head, and that helps. This box is a little bit broken here, see? That's unfortunate. Okay, let's take this out. And which one is the front, which one is the rear? Now look, they think about everything. Look at that. It says Model Y front. That is good. So you know exactly what vehicle it is for, and if it's for the front or the rear. Very, very good TPARTS. So I'll take this out. Some packing stuff here. Toss that behind me. And you know what? I will just put the old one. I'll just put, not the old one, I'll just put the rear part. I'll put that bag in this little, what do you call this? Pouch, bag, whatever this is. I'll put that bag in there, because then that's taken care of. And if I decide to put that on, I can. See? Looks good, doesn't it? Okay, now this thing here, let's open that. You gotta be careful here with it. But somehow, yeah, this is how it works. It flies right in your face. Yeah, see that? It's black on the inside, and the other side is kind of a silvery, shiny color, and it's supposed to reflect the sun so that you don't get the heat in your vehicle. There's a little bit of an imperfection there. See that on the camera? But it's not bad at all. So I'm not complaining. I'm just pointing things out, not complaining. Yeah, looks good. I mean, what is there to look good? It's just a normal sunshade. It's like the other one, but you can't see the lights through it. See, you can barely see through it. They have all the lights on. See how bright they are? Let's check this. you can see a little bit, but not much through it. So I think this will be great. Okay, so the installation is super easy, and this is hard to handle with the camera. So let me go check the car and see if I can put that in and show you what it looks like and how I did it. So stay on the line. I won't say no. Don't stay on the line. Stay. Just hang in there. You know. Don't pause. Don't close the video. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. Okay. So that took me, I would say, 5 minutes. Not longer than that. Okay. I think it's better if we film a couple shots outside so you can see how you see the sun. But now it's a cloudy day today. Of course, it's always the same thing. But yeah, let's climb in the car and look at it. See these lights? Okay, remember them. Here we are inside the Tesla, and it's dark in here now. See? You can't even see the lights. You can see them there, but here you can't even see the lights. It's really dark. And I think this is a good thing for the sun. I put a couple of those clips on. There's a small one, there's one right there, and there's one on this side here. That's hard to see. So let's drive outside and I'll film it in a parking lot. Okay guys, you see the sun? And now watch, we'll go in. There's the sunshade, there's the sun. See that? So that's great. This will definitely help against the heat in the cabin and also the sun bugging me on my head. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I say thank you for watching, and if you have other products from TPARTS that you're interested in, go check in my description. I have a code there, a discount code, and if you put that in, you get 20% off your purchase. So go check my description. I got the link in there, and I'll put the link in the video right now as well if you're interested. I have a lot of different products from TPARTS that I tested, that I reviewed, and I really like them. So please take advantage of that and buy something you like if you want to. And if you don't want to, of course, don't do it. And if you don't like a Tesla, then I guess we'll see you in the next video about the town car or my Mustang, because that's fine as well. Alright, have a wonderful evening, and wish you all the best. And I hope you subscribe if you haven't done yet. So take care.